When we get invited to an off-road press introduction this time of year, we're generally headed to California, or at least someplace warm. Can-Am's newest off-road intro, though, had us headed to Quebec in March for a product where snow was a main ingredient. Can-Am pulled the sheets off its all-new Apache Backcountry LT Trax system designed specifically to fit its Maverick X3 and Defender models. It's designed to support the heavier loads of side-by-sides while providing better traction and flotation in the deepest snow. Assuming a company that also builds Ski-Doo snowmobiles would use its expertise and technology to build a track kit designed specifically for snow would be both reasonable and accurate. The 14-inch wide Backcountry LT track kit uses tracks with 2-inch lugs and a 3-inch pitch to deliver optimal traction in the snow, and the rear tracks actually ride on the same rails as a 146-inch snowmobile skid frame. Having the tracks slide on a combination of UHMW rails and idler wheels helps reduce rolling resistance and maximizes power delivery to the snow, while also maximizing the footprint of the tracks on the snow. The frame is composed of a steel upper section supporting the aluminum slide rails. It uses an external drive sprocket developed exclusively for Can-Am with a 3-inch pitch for optimal deep snow performance and a user-friendly track tensioning system similar to what Ski-Doo uses on their rear snowmobile skid frames. The Apache Backcountry XT track kit boosts the ground clearance of your vehicle by 7 inches, which obviously helps clearing the largest obstacles. It also adds an additional 4 inches per side to the overall width of your side-by-side. The rear track is purpose-built to provide a maximum footprint and ultimate traction over the snow, while the front track rails are tipped up to get your X3 or Defender on top of the deepest snow and again, help you get over the biggest obstacles. Another benefit of having the nose of the front tracks tipped up is that less of the track is resting on flat ground, which delivers lighter than expected steering, especially when combined with Can-Am's dynamic power steering system. One piece of advice we've got for Apache Backcountry track kit buyers is that you should consider also getting a cab for your side-by-side with a windshield that has a windshield wiper. A heater is a great idea as well to not only help keep your windshield free of fog, but also to keep you and your passenger toasty warm. All of this stuff is available through your Can-Am dealer. The Apache Backcountry LT kit is designed with a focus on private landowners, farmers, winter outdoorsmen, or anyone who has the need or desire to traverse deep snow in open terrain. In our opinion, there's no more effective or, honestly, fun way of getting you, your buddies, and all your gear out to remote hunt camps or ice fishing locations. Of course, the added benefit is that it gives you the ability to enjoy your fancy side-by-side all year long as well, which should make the sales pitch to your significant other that much easier.